My dear friends, today I am giving some important questions. These questions are very important for your interview for accountant posts. So first question is, do you have experience in Tally? If you have any experience in Tally in previous company, just explain about that company and what you have done in that company. The next question is, if you the first question, do you have experience in Tally? If the person who doesn't have the experience, better to learn Tally operations through my videos and then do trials in your computer and prepare for interview. The second question is, how will you create a ledger? This is why they are asking is, while creating ledgers, customer ledgers goes to Sundry Debtors account, Sundry Debtors group, and supplier ledger comes under Sundry Creditors group. So the ledger name and the groups to be create exactly as per Tally rules. Say example, the bank account comes under group bank accounts. Sales accounts comes under group sales accounts. Purchase account comes under group purchase accounts. Any type of expenses related to office expenses that comes under indirect expenses. Any expenses related to trading service, that is transport charges, that comes under direct expenses. The third question is, how to take opening balances in Tally? This is very important question. While taking opening balances, you get the previous year balance sheet. From the balance sheet, you have to create ledger one by one and take opening balances. I will show you one example. So example, this company previous year account balance, I am going to create one ledger, that is a bank ledger, ICICI Bank. Under group comes bank accounts. Here you can enter the bank account number, then address, everything, then state also, then PIN code number, contact number. Say example 15,250. See, bank account always shows debit balance, debit. Then press yes to save this voucher, save this account opening balance. Now go to see display account ledger. ICICI Bank. We have taken opening balances. This is 15,250. Now the fourth question is, how do you enter cash deposit entry? This is very important question wherever you go for interview. As an account, you must have to know this question, this answer. Where do you enter cash deposit entry? This is, you have to enter in contra entries. To enter contra entries, press escape key to come to gateway of Tally. In gateway of Tally, go to accounting vouchers, then press F4 here. Here you have to enter the bank account, then cash account. Say 10,000. Bank cash deposit to bank account.